Let's walk through a balcony room aboard the Carnival Horizon cruise ship. So, of course, you first have to get to your room on embarkation day. Today, we are touring a balcony room on deck 8. The room number will be 8275. So, there you will see your sailing sign card. You're going to scan that at the door to get in. And then you have to put your sailing sign card in this little slot so that you can turn the power on. So, after you do that, here is what the room looks like. You're gonna have two twin beds and a couch. And for me, it was actually 3 sailors, so I actually converted that couch into a bed. But let's get into the whole room. So I mentioned the beds, but over to your right, you have the TV on the wall. You also will have your vanity mirror, which will light up when you click the button down there. And then you have your shelves, you have all of your plugs for your devices. And then, as I mentioned, you have this side where you have the couch, or you can convert it into a bed like I did. And here's just a better view from the side if you're walking from the balcony. But let's look at the bathroom. So you're gonna push that button to put on the light in the bathroom. And so this is an older ship compared to the Mardi Gras, Jubilee, or Celebration. So the shower is not enclosed, like enclosed glass. It just has the curtain. And here you see all of the towel rack space. You see that personal mirror that you can pull out a little bit. And then you have the shelves, your big mirror, and more shelves to your right-hand side. And I would say the bathroom is quite small, so it really is only comfortable for one person to be in there at a time, of course. You see the toilet right there. You see that little silver tin to the right. Below is your trash can. But yeah, this is your standard balcony room on the Carnival Horizon. And here is how big the shower is. Like I said, it will only fit one person comfortably. But here I am waving to the camera. Hey guys. And here you see the sink space. It is just one sink. It is not a double sink. But let's take a look at the closets. So you do get 2 closets, and as you can see, they do come with hangers. These are some wood hangers. Some of them have the pan clips, which is pretty good. And then this one I would obviously say is for your dresses, the one on the right, and on the one on the left, you have 2 shelves, so you can put shirts on the top and then bottoms on the bottom if they're folded on the hanger. It also comes with a full-length mirror. Mine was a little bit dirty, but just showing y'all the mirror that does come with it inside one of the closets. And then let's open up the second closet, which is to the left. And so you see the shelves are a little bit shorter. You also see that safe. This would probably be good for any folded items or your shoes that you can just put on those shelves. And then here are the drawers. It came with 3 drawers, so you can put whatever you want in there. And that's the closet. So let's see more about this vanity. You can see they have the agenda on that table for the day. And here I am in the mirror waving to y'all again. But let me show you the phone and, of course, your in-room fridge that you can use. They also have this drawer where they have a little pencil and pad that you can use to talk to your stateroom attendant, and, of course, a blow dryer. And there is a stool right below there for that vanity. But let's get into why we booked this room. The balcony, of course. So for this sailing, we were at the Port of Miami. So as you can see, this is the view of the Port of Miami from the side of this room. The Port of Miami is one of, if not the busiest cruise ports in the world, but let's take a look at the balcony. So you have the window, of course, and you have 2 chairs with a side table. My chairs happen to be mixed match, but I didn't care. I was just happy to have me a balcony room. But here is the room as you're coming from the balcony. The natural light hits the room very great, which is one of the benefits of having a balcony room. And here, of course, is kind of a slower version of showing the room from walking from that balcony. You have your 2 twin beds that can be pushed together. You have that couch that can be converted into another bed for a 3rd sailor. They also include the pool towels for your convenience while you're on board. But overall, I feel that this is a great size room for 2 to 3 sailors that are family, that are okay with the combined space, because it can get pretty tight when you're trying to get ready for dinner. But I think it's a great room. I enjoyed myself in this room on my recent sailing.